Hey there, Earth lovers and future farmers. Welcome to Soil Books, where I uncover the secrets beneath our feet. Today, we're diving into a topic that's trending worldwide because it's literally saving our planet: the hidden superpower of soil. Did you know that soil isn't just dirt? It's a living, breathing ecosystem that fights climate change, grows our food, and even cleans our water. By the end of this video, you'll see soil in a whole new light. Ready to geek out? Let's dig in. Before we dive deeper, quick question. What blows your mind most about soil? Is it that 1 teaspoon holds more microbes than people on Earth? Or that soil stores 3 times more carbon than all forests combined? Comment below. I'll shout out the best answers in our next video. Alright, let's talk about soil's secret superpowers. First up, the ultimate carbon sponge. Healthy soil is Earth's #1 carbon sink. It absorbs more CO2 than all forests and oceans combined. But here's the catch: industrial farming is destroying this superpower. The solution? Regenerative farming. More on that later. Next, soil acts as nature's water filter. Soil filters water better than any human-made system. Wetlands and healthy farms clean pollutants, recharge groundwater, and prevent floods. And get this, plants talk through soil's wood wide web, a fungal network that shares nutrients, and even warns neighbors of pests. Lastly, soil is more biodiverse than the Amazon. A single gram of soil contains thousands of species of bacteria, fungi, and tiny creatures we're still discovering. So how can you help? Here are some easy hacks. First, compost like a pro. Turn food waste into black gold. Compost boosts soil health and slashes methane from landfills. Second, plant AB lawn. Ditch grass. Clover and wildflowers save water, feed pollinators, and need no chemicals. Third, support regenerative farms. Buy from farms that prioritize soil health. Look for regenerative or no-till labels. And lastly, stop using synthetic fertilizers. Chemical fertilizers kill soil life. Switch to compost, mulch, or organic options. Now I'd love to hear, what's one thing you'll do this week to help soil? Plant a clover patch? Start composting? Tag a friend who needs to see this. If this video opened your eyes to soil superpowers, hit like, subscribe, it's free, and ring the bell. I drop mind-blowing nature secrets every week. Remember, healthy soil equals sign, healthy planet equals sign, healthy you. Let's grow a better future together.